guys, welcome to our channel. So it's Vena in Team and Vena. And we haven't edited our videos from Cambodia because we just came back from Cambodia here in Singapore. So just relax there, chill, and watch my husband how he reacts Marcelito when he did his remote control dual voices. Okay, so thank you so much. And baby?
Yeah, so I'm just looking at the screen here to my left, right, and I see Viceganda, my favorite Filipina actress.
You really like Viceganda? You watch some of
Yeah,
his
we watched the movies, right?
Okay, you can see the baby.
And to the right is Marcelito Pomoy, who has that great wingspan of a voice. What's happening here? First off, I want to... Who's that lady like in the background there sitting
It's
on the...
Viceganda.
No, in the background there's someone
That's
sitting on...
Viceganda.
No, in the background there's someone sitting there, right?
That's Viceganda.
No, it's different in this one, right?
It is.
And then... So, he's gonna do like a remote control thing.
You know what does it mean, baby?
you have to go higher, baby. You're high.
Okay.
Wait a second. So now we can see you, right?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So it means, baby, that if it's like, I think Viceganda will like say something like toot, 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 like that.
Voice
and
control.
then he can change, Marcelito can change his voice.
Let's try and see what happens. Right.
Ay, sa lalaki, ha?
To go to the other side.
You know, I can do the same, right? Baby, try to remote control me, right?
Okay.
So, ikaw, ma-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Toot.
You
You don't know the
Wow, good job. So, well, so Marcelito Pomoy has really become like a national hero, right? After his performance in, what's it called again?
America's Got Talent. Can you remove this?
Yeah, I can.
America's Got Talent.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's great. Thank you guys for watching our reaction to the remote control. So we'll just go get back and we can remote control each other today, right? Baby, can you make me coffee? Right? Right?
Maybe we can do a vlog about remote control.
Yeah.
Remote control challenge.
I have another idea. Maybe we can make a vlog where we change each other's voices. So you talk with my voice, and
we cannot talk about your voice.
My name is Vena.
Okay, guys, thank you so much.
Okay, guys. Bye bye.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Have a wonderful day, and yeah, comment below, right?
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye bye.